Hold my beer. Watch this. Guys, thank you for coming back to the channel. Sorry we missed you. We took off for Super Bowl Sunday because y'all weren't gonna watch me on Super Bowl Sunday anyway. So today we're doing something good that we should have done for the Super Bowl. We're gonna do some buffalo wings with a homemade buffalo wing sauce. Lay around for it, stick around, thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're back making the best chicken wings you've ever had. We'll give you all a step-by-step tutorial on how you do them. Again, I thank you guys so much for liking the video, taking time out of your day. I am literally, I think, 50 subscribers away from hitting the target. If you're watching this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn on all notifications. All right, back to the business at hand. So, we have our chicken wings. All right? What we're gonna do with these chicken wings, and it's gonna be a nice, healthy alternative somewhat, you know. They're not gonna be fried, but at the end, they're gonna get a little, might not be so healthy. So to help crisp up the skin, we're gonna take some olive oil and just drizzle it on there. Okay? Now we're gonna season it up. Take your salt, whatever salt you choose, whether it's kosher salt, table salt, rock salt, whatever. Not too much. Not too much.
Oh,
Not too much. And the reason I'm doing it this way, guys, is because we're gonna mix it all in. A little bit of Caribbean seasoning, just for the taste, flavor. A little bit of garlic powder. Your favorite brand. A little bit of onion powder. Your favorite brand. Not too much. And then my favorite seasoning, the Montreal steak seasoning. Even though it says steak, it goes good on everything in my opinion, all right? That's what we're doing. So now, it's time to get your hands dirty, guys. And ladies, you know, time to get your hands dirty. Pull up your sleeves, time to get to work. Gonna mix them all up so they're nice, evenly coated. Evenly coated. Woo! Show you guys it's slipping off because it is oily. All right. So now they're nice and seasoned up. We're gonna take them out. We're gonna put them on the smoker. We're gonna show how we do that process. Then we're gonna come back inside and make the homemade wing sauce. It's gonna be something like your sock salt. All right. The Home of Beer channel, like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up. Let's go. Got to tell you guys, you see the merch? You see the merch? The merch is coming soon. If I can get 50 subscribers, I can give y'all guys the merch. The Home of Beer channel. Anyway, back to the business at hand. We're gonna do these wings. We're offset right now. All right, we got a little bit of cherry in there. We're gonna take our drumettes. Guys, you don't want to go over there. You'll just burn them up. I would recommend coming midways. Hear the sizzle. Look down there. We have our drip pan. And you just layer them over there. Just layer them over there. These, in theory, guys, should take you about 45 minutes. And while these are doing, to make good use of your time, because it is a family show and none of us have a lot of time, we're gonna go in there. We're gonna make the buffalo wing sauce. Then we're gonna show you how to sauce them. And then we're gonna eat. All right? I appreciate you guys. Thumbs up. Let's go. Get the subscribers away. Help me get there. Please, let's do it. We can do it. We can do it together. Help me help you to help me. All right, let's go. So now you're halfway through your cook. At this point, we can start getting our buffalo wing sauce going. Guys, it's very simple. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take some homemade butter. We're gonna link the video of how we made homemade butter up here somewhere, over here somewhere, but you'll be able to find it. We're gonna take some homemade butter, put that in a saucepan. We're gonna take your favorite hot sauce. Okay, basically it was maybe 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we're gonna go with a 1/4 cup of hot sauce. They're about and put a little splash of garlic in there.
Oh,
just a little bit.
Wow, just a tiny bit of that. That's really hot.
Just a little bit of that. We're gonna put some paprika in there. A little bit. And my favorite seasoning. Whoever manufactured this, y'all need to call the Hold My Beer channel. Put a little of that in there. And then guys, you can put, I would recommend a little bit of chicken broth, maybe some beef broth. If not, water, just to thin it out a little bit. Let it start to simmer. So basically what we're doing is making sure that our wings, our sauce, everything is gonna line up, all right? So our wings have been on for maybe 15, 20 minutes at this point. This sauce is gonna take 15, 20 minutes thereabout. So in 1 hour, we're gonna have a good meal and it's all gonna come together. And then please keep watching because we're gonna show you how you sauce your wings to make sure they're the bombest buffalo wings ever, all right? We're gonna do it, let's go. All right, so now, after about 45 minutes to an hour, this is what you get. So now we're gonna take them off, plate them up, go inside, show you guys how you finish making your buffalo wing sauce, sauce them up, and eat. Let's go. All right, guys, so now you got your wings off. They've been on there roughly an hour. This is what they should look like. All right. And just for experimentation purposes, we're going to take our homemade buffalo wing sauce. It consists of butter, a bunch of ingredients, right? Right. Drizzle them and toss. Come here, Faye. Come here. We're gonna toss them. So basically, in your wing sauce, you have butter, a lot of hot sauce. You can season it up, jazz it up a little bit, guys. And so here's the day, right now, on the Hold My Beer channel.
Can I take a bite?
We're going to do a side-by-side comparison. So you eat that one, and then you eat that one, and you tell me what you want. I know they're cooked great. I mean, 'cause I do that.
I like that. I like that. It's good.
So, if you had to choose one or the two, which one would it be?
This one.